Welcome to our comparison between TP-Link's Archer A7 and TL WR802N routers. We'll analyze their wireless performance, security features, hardware specifications, and software functionalities to help you make an informed decision. 1. Wireless. The Archer A7 offers Wi-Fi 5 technology with 1750 speeds, ideal for medium-sized homes with its dual-band capability. With 3 high-performance antennas and multiple signal boosting arrays, it provides reliable coverage for a 3-bedroom house. In contrast, the TL WR802N is designed for smaller spaces, offering Wi-Fi 4 technology with N300 speeds, suitable for 2-bedroom houses. It features 2 fixed antennas and provides legacy Wi-Fi connectivity. 2. Security. Both routers prioritize network security with SPI firewall, access control, and IP binding. However, the Archer A7 offers additional security features like VPN server support and advanced Wi-Fi encryption options such as WPAT Enterprise. The TL WR802N, while lacking VPN server support, still provides essential security measures such as application layer gateway and guest network capabilities. 3. Hardware. In terms of hardware, the Archer A7 boasts a Qualcomm QPU, gigabit Ethernet ports, and USB support for file sharing and media streaming. It's powered by a 12-volt adapter, providing ample processing power and connectivity options. On the other hand, the TL WR802N features a single-core QPU, a 100 MP's WAN LAN port, and lacks USB support. It's powered by a 5-volt adapter, suitable for basic networking needs in smaller environments. 4. Software. Both routers support IP4 and IP6 protocols, along with essential management features through the Tether app and web interface. While the Archer A7 offers advanced software functionalities like WineMesh support for flexible network expansion and comprehensive parental controls, the TL WR802N focuses on essential networking features with close-by-device and DHCP options. In conclusion, the Archer A7 excels in providing robust wireless performance, advanced security features, versatile hardware capabilities, and comprehensive software functionalities, making it the ideal choice for medium-sized homes and demanding users. On the other hand, the TL WR802N offers basic networking capabilities suitable for smaller environments, prioritizing simplicity and affordability. Thank you for watching our comparison review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights